Did you know that a single glass of water can transform your body in just minutes? Today, I'm diving into what happens inside you after drinking water. Let's start with the first 0 to 10 minutes. As you take that initial sip, water enters your system, heading straight to your stomach. Here, it's quickly absorbed into your bloodstream. Your blood volume increases, improving circulation almost immediately. You might feel a bit more alert and energized. Next, at 10-20 minutes, water reaches your brain. This is where the magic happens. Hydration can enhance brain function, improving clarity and focus. Ever feel a midday slump? Often, it's just your brain signaling dehydration. At 20-30 minutes, water starts working on your kidneys. These hard-working organs filter out toxins more efficiently when you're properly hydrated. You may notice a more frequent urge to visit the loo, but that's just your body cleansing itself. Beyond 30 minutes, water has reached every cell. Your skin starts to show the benefits, appearing plumper and healthier. Hydrated skin is less prone to wrinkles and blemishes. Plus, your overall body temperature regulation improves. So, next time you reach for a glass of water, remember you're not just quenching your thirst. You're boosting your circulation, sharpening your mind, cleansing your kidneys, and giving your skin a natural glow. Stay hydrated. Stay healthy. The power of a simple glass of water is truly remarkable. Cheers to your health.